McDavid to Clefbaum. Clefbaum, a wrist shot. Rebound in front. The test tube just missed it. Clefbaum shot. Opportunity for McDavid, and he scores. Connor McDavid, his first power play goal of the season. And the Oilers have the lead.
So, shot. Now Oscar Clefbaum's going to follow this play up. He's going to come down as the puck bounces. He hustles, gets the puck over. Look at Connor, waits for just that second. Those great goal scorers, terrific offensive guys, just have poise. And it's just, I got it. I'm going to make sure, puts it in.